Oh, you're on the road again. Chonzie, let's be having it. Hopefully get some better views than Andy yesterday. He was in straight up cloud, but I'm going to have clear skies and sunshine. Right, we're away on holiday on Monday and we forgot we should have brought the electric bike, but next weekend I'm bringing the electric bike. This is like the perfect path. Could have flew. But the electric bike with a sword through this. It looked a bit bumpier than I thought on Andy's video. Ooh, there's got to be some nice views for the top, as long as it stays dry. Clouds above the hills. I think that's the peak up there. Blue skies, blue skies. Absolutely smashing through it. We're hoping for a 3-hour round trip today. The GoPro's acting up today. Don't know what's going wrong. Something about my SD card. I've got a new one on the way though, but hopefully you get to see this video. Well, I've got no idea if I'm going the right way. This is what way the OS is telling me. But the mountain that the hill that I was pointing at, apparently isn't Chonzie. So Chonzie's like past there. So we're going to trust OS on this one. Although I could see somebody up there. So God knows where he's going. Unless he's going to that one and just no following. I don't know. Right, so currently the sun's trying to come out. This one here's in the cloud and this one here's in the sunshine. But I don't know which one we're going up. But there's patches. We could be okay. Even if it's just cloud above summit level, still get some views. Alright, I definitely know which one it is now. And so far it's not looking too good. It is there. There's the track going all the way. So hopefully it clears up a bit. But I think this SD card's going to shit the bed. And I don't think you're going to actually even watch this, so it's one of them. It's annoying. Going to do another hill tomorrow though, and I'll have my other SD card. Don't know who I'm actually talking to right now, but I'll still film the journey. This is the most perfect bike track though. I believe the path goes to about 700 metres. So you've just got like this little bit here to do after the path. Ditch the bike, half an hour up and down. Away you go. Starting to feel a little bit of drizzle. That rain cloud is coming in, but I can see there's like blue behind it, so hopefully it doesn't last long and we just get out of it and into this absolute sunshine peak, as we're going to call it. Come on cloud, please man, please. Really hoping for a clear summit here. Woo. Just got to stop, take in some views. Might not say too good on yours, but at least we've got some views for some height. Must be at least 500-600 metres now. That wind's getting chilly though. Oh, the drizzle, the top drizzle has started. So I dropped the kids off twice on the way here, and I know what you're thinking, 2 lots of kids. Yeah, 2 lots of kids, and I need a game. The bairns might be getting left up the hills tonight. Oh, I tell a lie, that rain's starting to get heavy. Fuck's sake. We wanted clear skies, it's clearing up. It's sunny over there, look. It's coming. Time to get a wee bit further. Blue skies. Oh wow, I am in the thick of it. Everybody knows. I don't want no nothing but just ice. I'm so cold. It's freezing. 1,000 something subs, so I've been told. But no, we are halfway. In fact, we're over halfway, and we're just getting more in the cloud. But look at that, it's clear over there now. Wasn't like that earlier. It was not like that earlier. Right, the rain's chilled itself out. My hair is wet for sweat, and that's freezing when the wind goes through it. But the pace has slowed right down, I must admit. We're getting it time. Getting it time to clear. Here it is. Heading up to the peak now. It's coming. It's coming. The wind has picked right up, but we're still not in the clouds yet. Nearly. Definitely nearly. Hopefully it clears up though. Oh, I'm connect. Woohoo! It's coming. Oh, go away, cloud. What did I do a minute ago? Yeah, look at that. It's just that there, we need to get ready. Wind's coming this way though. Oh. Could be in for a good one. It's a windy one. I've just realised my zip was down on my trousers, and I was talking to a female. No, I was just walking past somebody else and I'm like, wait a minute, right down. Get me under this cover. Oh, we're at the wind. That's chilly, by the way. Awfully chilly. But we do have some views. Whereas Andy had none, so. It's actually starting to snow. You'll probably not be able to see it, but the little white speckles. It is snowing at the top. Oh, you can see it. Look at the lock there. Oh. I'm going to get the rain trousers on, like, for the way back down. The good thing is this wind block's breaking the wind completely. It's actually nice. But I've got to get the sandwiches out there now. Set up a wee time lapse, see how it goes. Well, everything was green when I got up here. It's now a whitewash. What has happened? I thought it was getting clearer. Clearly, fucking not. You know what I want to do though, because it's snowing. I'm so excited. And it doesn't show signs of stopping. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That is, oh, what's that? That is what we want, though, eh? Madness. Absolute madness. Whoa, get you all dried off. Right, I'm not hanging about here. Everything's getting wet. I'm getting cold. Let's get out of this snow cloud ASAP. What the fuck? Woo! What's happened here? I can't even see. It's out of my eyes, isn't it? Fucking hell. This is mental. Oh, we're finally out that horrible wind. Get my face out again. That was like, as soon as I sat down, started the time lapse, it started snowing. I hope on the time lapse you see it just go from like brown to white, or green to white. Someday though, someday. There is that snake path. All the way down to the car. But it's still snowing. Pretty heavy as well. Now that I'm hoping that if it's snowing today, the hills tomorrow should be really good. So hopefully we get a nice one tomorrow. So Chonzie is obviously like the most southern mountain in Scotland, so we'll be going a little bit further north tomorrow as well, just to get to another one. So hopefully it's even better up there. But I'm not wanting that hailstone wind again. Woohoo! That's so hard on it. Well, big change for the walk up. Oh, there it is. First bit of sun on skin. And we're almost back at the car. Just what I wanted. I'm actually a little bit annoyed about that. Could have had some brilliant views as well. I knew if I just waited it out a little, but you know what, I sat at the top for about half an hour and that was for a reason. Because it was just, that was a major wind chill. So I couldn't sit there any longer. It is what it is, you know. We got the good views last weekend. Last month we got some great views up Ben Louis. So we've had it good. We still had it good there, we got snow. So it's a win-win. Tell you what, it's actually looking like it's going to be a very nice day. It's only 12:30. And look at it. Gorgeous. Ah. Imagine they left it so you could open it. That'd be well cool, eh? Parking's looking busy now. Well, there it is, another one smashed. Bean Dorian, way up in the distance there. That's us getting through them now, but we're back in the van. We've got to find somewhere nice to park up. We'll hopefully be smashing another one tomorrow, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace out.